I'm here today at BG Motors. We're going to be installing a differential drop kit because recently I just lifted up my Tacoma 2019 off-road. So let's get going.
Alright, the first thing you want to do to drop the differential is to remove the skid plate. There should be 6 bolts holding it up. 4 17 millimeters in the front and 2 12 millimeters in the back. Once you get all those bolts removed, the skid plate should just fall. Man, shout out to our boy B at BG Motors in Sacramento for letting us use his shop today. Okay, the next thing you want to do is grab a 7/8 socket and remove the old bolts that's holding up the differential. Once you get those removed, you want to grab the 2 new bolts provided in the kit along with the spacers. Make sure you add the spacer in between the diff and the frame of the truck. Once you get all of those tightened down, make sure you torque it to spec. And that's about it. Pretty easy, right? Now all you gotta do is reinstall the skid plate, make sure everything's bolted down, and your axles and CV boot should be thanking you right now. We're gonna go ahead and also install the carrier bearing drop kit. It's pretty much the same concept as the diff drop. All you're really doing is installing a spacer to help realign things back to almost OEM. This should fix any vibration or wheel hop after any kind of lift. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every single one. Thanks.